guys are there outside. This is so good. Yes, Assalamualaikum guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi, hello everyone. Jannat say Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Jonathan and Ali.
Yes. So guys, yesterday I couldn't buy my cell phone because I couldn't get the freebies. Now I have another option to buy the cell phone near my residence. So I will go there and I will buy the Samsung A73, which I decided last night to buy.
Yeah.
So I didn't buy because they were not offering me freebies, and I already know what are the freebies with that. So I will show you what are the freebies which you can get with the cell phone if you will buy a 73 from Samsung, authorized dealer. So now I will go there and I will show you. And again, thank you so much, Sir Raymond, Buenaventura and family. And thank you so much, Glai, and the whole family
Thank
of
you so
Glai.
much.
Say hi, baby Kai.
Hi,
Thank
baby
you.
Kai. Chloe, hi. TikTok
Hi,
pa.
TikTok friends of Emma.
Yes.
So I'm already running. So guys, I will not waste more time. I will go and buy the cell phone. So now I am here, Samsung, and this is the cell phone I really like. This one is the Galaxy A73 5G. The total cost is for 256 variant 29,990, and with 1,000 discount plus one keyboard and then one adapter. Hi Kuya, I'm including you in my vlog. Yeah, I just want to cover this one also, A53, the freebies of A53. Can you show the freebies of A53? So then I can cover this in my video, because I am also interested in A53. Earlier I wanted to buy this, guys. You can see this is 25,490, 23,490. So there is only 2,000 pesos difference, and this is the freebie. And what is the actual cost of this Kuya? This is 1,990, right?
Yes, 1,999.
So-
Silver cover with strap.
So this is the freebie, guys, originally from the Samsung. So if you will buy a 53, just get this one. This is the cover, silicone cover. Was not fully decided. I told you I will decide M53 or A53, but you convinced me A73. So I thought, because if I will see, the difference is 7,000, and the huge difference. The camera of this one is 108 megapixel. Look at this. And what is the camera of this? This camera is 64 megapixel. So a huge difference, guys. A huge difference. Not bad. This cell phone is also so cool. This is the background, back side, and this is also the back side. I bought the grey color. Thank you so much, Kuya. Thank you, Ate. Thank you so much. And this is the mall in Sabarte. Thank you. And this is another Kuya. Hi, Kuya. So, Ahmad. Hi. Jannat is here. Okay. Thank you so much, Raymond, Buenaventura, and the family. Thank you so much, Glai and family. Thank you so much, kid. And I must say hi to baby Kyle. Thank you. I will open this at home. Okay, hi.
Hi. Done. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Raymond and
Yes,
Glai.
you show this. To unbox now. Kuya is going to unbox. Hi, Kuya.
Hello.
So Kuya is unboxing my A73. Guys are there outside. This is Sogo. Sogo furniture. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much, Kuya. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. And thank you, Ate. Bye. This is the shop, guys.
You can locate them here at Sabarte.
That is this shop is in the Sabarte Mall. And what is the name, Kuya?
My name is Prince. Galaxy
Prince.
Sales Warrior.
Ah, yes, I was saying you are the prince
Without
here
a
in the
castle.
Philippines. Without a castle. Don't worry, we have so many castles in the year. Thank you so much.
Switch it
Salamat.
up, sir. Okay.
Yes, Kuya. Thank you.